Greetings, good day folks, friends, family, people of interest, people that are following my channel. Today is the 2nd of December, wow, 2020. Whew. Let's talk about this Chevrolet C-20 cab. Okay. The guy's out of money, which is understandable, as I talked about earlier. It's not a big deal. It happens, okay? I mean, that's life. This rocker is welded in. I just finished it. I had a couple snags, kind of expected, because this ridge right here, you know how it's like 1, 2, 3 ridges? It didn't line up with the original factory, which all of them are that way. So I had to cut, and then slice, and then slice, and then pull all those areas in, and then collapse this area in more to meet the A-pillar, put it all in together, tack it, take it off, take the rocker panel off, put it in the vise, and weld it up, welded it from the inside, dressed the welds down, and painted it. And then on the outside here, I just touched up some of the welds. I just ground it down with the grinder to get the majority of it out, you know, this channel and then this channel. Then I ground down a couple of the plug welds, but I'm not going to do any more grinding because of that, you know. So the owner can grind those down, and tomorrow I'll fit in the cab corner, which is already basically fit in, but it's not installed. This will go in here. Trim it up a little bit more on the top and on the side. Clamp it in place, weld it in. Pound it down in there some more so it's, you know, so it's tight fit, and call it a day on the truck. You know, get it ready to be mounted firmly on the ground, on the frame I should say, and be done with it. Conclude operations. So here's the front. And I probably won't weld this up simply because out of time, out of money. So he can do that. I don't know, maybe I might have to because make it stronger. I don't know. So anyways, folks, that's it for the C-20 on today. So peace out.